Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Teams automated notifications with Power Automate, full guide step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Teams automated notifications with Power Automate, begin by logging into your Microsoft account. Navigate to the Power Automate website. Once you're on the home page, click on Create from the left-hand menu. Select Automated Cloud Flow. You will see a prompt asking for a name for your flow. Enter a descriptive name for your flow, such as Teams Notifications. Now, you need to choose a trigger for your flow. In the search bar, type in the specific trigger that suits your needs. For example, you might select when a new item is created. Click on Create to proceed. You will then be redirected to the flow creation page. Now it's time to set up the trigger details. Fill in the necessary fields, such as the site address and list name for SharePoint. After setting up the trigger, click on New Step to add an action. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams to find available actions. Select Post a message in a chat or channel from the list. Configure the action by choosing the team and channel where you want the notification to appear. You can customize the message text to include relevant information from the trigger. Next, you may want to format the message for clarity. Once satisfied with your message, click on Save at the top right corner. To test your flow, create a new item in your specified SharePoint list. Return to Power Automate and click on My Flows in the left-hand menu. Find your created flow and check its run history for any errors. Make any necessary adjustments if the flow does not work as expected. Congratulations, you have successfully set up automated notifications in Microsoft Teams using Power Automate. Your automated notifications will now alert team members promptly. This ensures that relevant information is shared in real time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.